Hi, my name is Attorney Walter with Mount the Third. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. We're going to be going through the top 200 questions you're likely to hear at your Social Security Disability hearing. So let's go through it real quick. We're at question 118. Do you use illegal drugs, including pot? Now, pot's being legalized in most states, or it's about to be anyways. I mean, it's just, state after state after state is just legalizing it. So this question is more about illegal drugs in the sense of crack cocaine, heroin, stuff like that. So do you use illegal drugs? Now, remember, some of you guys have a history, okay? Some of you guys are sitting there going like, I've never been to prison, I've never been to jail. Well, guess what? A lot of people applying for disability benefits, they have. Many times. So the bottom line here is that, and you can pretty much skip this one if you don't have drugs in your record or anything like that. If you have drugs in your record, you've got to think, okay, when did I have that last urine analysis? When did I have that last blood test that showed that I had drugs in my system? When was that last time the police got me and showed with a record that I had drugs in my system? Because you cannot obviously claim that you have no drugs or haven't had drugs in your system, before that date, on that date, before that, just before that date, after that date. No, sorry, before that date or on that date. After that date, you can claim that you haven't had drugs in your system, but during or before that date, you can't. So the bottom line here is to be able to show that you are being truthful. Now look, guys, be truthful about the drug abuse, because there's lots of ways that the record could potentially show that you're using and abusing. It's just, it's things that you say to the medical professionals when you go into the hospital for an impairment, even if you didn't have urine analysis or a blood test issue. Be honest where you can, because the judges respect honesty. They respect you telling them the truth. But if you come in there, you're like, I haven't used drugs in 10 years. Right? And then it's like, 2 years ago, they got you arrested, cocaine and heroin in your system, blah, blah, blah. Or my favorite one is, well, how long has it been since you last used drugs? Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, it's been super long. It has been, I don't even remember. And the judge is like, well, define for me. Give me a timeline. Give me some months, years, days. What are we looking at? Oh, it's a long time. It's been about 3 months. Long time to a judge is like 2 years. That's like the bare minimum. 2 years is like the bare minimum for a long time. So when they hear 3 months, automatically your whole claim shape shifts in their eyes. So just be aware of that. All right. We're going to be going on to the next question, 119, and then we'll kind of go from there. All right. If you have any questions, shoot me an email or give me a call. If you want the most up-to-date information, you can always catch up with me live and ask me questions on YouTube, 8 to 10 Thursday, Eastern Standard Time, every Thursday. Like, subscribe, and please leave 5-star reviews where you can, like Google, Avo, or the Better Business Bureau. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.